Hello YouTube, Anonymous Stacker here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing if you guys find value in my content. 2021, it's just around the corner. The day I'm filming this video, it's 29th of December 2020. So just 2 days to get over with this horrific year. With all the corona situation, it has been very rough, like a roller coaster ride. But let's just be positive about 2021 for a very prosperous year for everyone around the globe. And I wish you guys a happy new year to you and to your family. All right, with that being said, let's start with the content today. I'm from Dubai, as most of you guys know. And if you guys are new here, do consider subscribing, guys, to have a better idea on what's going on my channel. And today the video is going to be about what my goals are for 2020, and this way you guys can have a better idea what to expect from this channel, what you guys will be able to see, what kind of stack, what kind of coins, what kind of bars. Other than that, I'll be posting other useful videos which doesn't really have anything to do with the stack itself. All right, so the core of my stack is going to be these silver bars in the metrics, 250 grams, 500, a kilo, or these pretty 100-gram silver bars. Already showed that in another short videos recently. It's a very pretty, these scratches are on the SA, they're not on the bar itself, but it's a very pretty, and I don't know, I kind of love this, the look of this bar. So I got about 5 of these before, but right now, as you can see, I only have 4 because I kind of like sold one for a profit, and I'm waiting for another shipment to come in to fill that 5th one back. So the core is gonna be these bars, and the way I do the distribution between coins and the bars is pretty simple and straightforward. The bars are going to be coming from my income from my businesses. If they're doing good, I'll go for something like this. But if I'm having like a bad month, I'll opt out for something like 100 grams or something like that. All of these bars you see, even regardless they're gold or silver, they're coming from my direct income. And whatever you guys see in the coins is the way I save money. Even if it's like gold coins or the silver coins, I have a very specific way of saving money. I already posted a video talking in detail about how I convert the smallest denomination of coin into something like silver and gold. It just keeps stacking, and eventually I convert that into a bill, and then I keep a roll of bills, and then I grow that roll of bills, and so on and so forth. So I'll just post the card thing. So if you guys are interested in that type of video in which I show how I save and what my strategy is, so just check it out, guys. And most of these coins, they're not going to be around here. You'll always see like some things coming and going because I usually flip these coins. I order it from like States or Canada, and then I get them shipped over here for a very good price because my brother is still in Canada and he just sends it over to me. And there's a lot of like big premium on these coins in UAE. So it's easy to sell, and I'll make a couple of profit, not too much, but it's just good to like flip coins and buy newer ones and keep adding the stack. And the American Silver Eagles, the one which are not in the capsules, are mine. I'm not gonna be selling these anymore, and my goal for 2021 is gonna be to have at least like 500 ounces of silver in altogether, and maybe a tube of Canadian maple leaf. I think the tube is 25, so I'll be working on that, and maybe getting some 2021 American Eagles, the newer ones. And for the older, maybe I'll just keep stacking any random year. I don't really care about the 2021, but I'll still try to, you know, get my hands on the newer one. So this is a 2 ounce of Libertad that I picked up, and it's an amazing coin. I had a little bit of premium, but I found it, you know, in the market outside, not in like the LCS, but some random guys, you know, they're always, you know, selling here. So I picked this coin up, and I'm planning on holding it for a couple of months, and then, you know, maybe whenever I get like a good price, I'll flip it and maybe buy something else with it, or, you know, try to get a hold of the same coin again and keeping the profit. And these 2 coins, guys, the 1/2 ounce, I got for my nephew and my niece, and they're not gonna be here, so this is probably the last time I'll be showing these coins, and I'm gifting them for the New Year's. So yeah, that's that, just to, you know, get them started early on. And I picked up this Wakembe coin. It's like not a coin, it's a round, actually. It's a gold 1 gram 1 gram round. I sold the 1 gram Canadian maple coin for a profit, and I picked these 2 up just by adding a little bit more. I got 2 of these because that one had a premium and these ones didn't, but that one doesn't, but this one does. Check it out, guys. Argor Harias, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, let me know if I am. The golden link. So check it out, guys. This one has some kind of like, wait, let me just take care of that reflection. Check it out. Has some 3D security features, so that, you know, it's very hard to like counterfeit these. So I don't know if you guys have seen this one before, but I found it very interesting, so I bought one of these. I paid a little bit of premium on this, not like a crazy heavy premium, but yeah, guys, so that's what I did. So now I'm gonna talk about my golds. So 500 ounces of silver, and mostly the bars and the Canadian maple leaves, and these ones are just gonna be temporarily here. And the gold coins I might keep, because, you know, I paid like a premium on it, and I really don't want it to be, you know, go to waste for now. I want it to like, you know, have more value before I can like sell them. And that's it, guys. Those are my goals. And also I'm gonna be adding some platinum to my stack, but the local coin shop here only had like a 10 grams of platinum. If we had like a 2.5, maybe I would have not taken this, or I would have bought that. But maybe in the future, if I can find like a smaller denomination, you know, smaller fractional platinum, I'll just go for that. And maybe in the future some palladium. I don't have any set goal for the gold right now. I did say I would like to stack 5 ounce, but I want to be realistic, and after 1 month I think I cannot do 5 ounces. I'll be able to do 500 ounces of silver easily, but 5 ounces is a bit of stretch, and it's always good to have a goal which is achievable, so you don't fail and, you know, be sad about it. So wanted to just clear that. I'm gonna be setting my goal today: 500 ounces of silver and maybe 2 ounces of gold, and a little bit of platinum and palladium in the future. Not right now, not in 2021. Only if I like, you know, increase my income, maybe I'll consider, but I'm not too sure about that. So what do you guys think about my stack and about my gold? Should I be stacking more gold instead? But because I'm gonna be heavily invested in silver for 2021. But I know a lot of you guys have the opinion that gold is much better, but I don't know, guys. I just prefer silver for now. And maybe, you know, if I don't have like, you know, the storage, or there's some issue, maybe I'll stop doing silver and start the gold. But 500 ounces is, you know, not a very like big size. You know, you can easily adjust that somewhere. So let me know, guys, what are your goals down in the comments, and please consider subscribing. I really wanted to hit 100 subscriber mark before 2021 starts, but I guess that wouldn't be possible in 2 days now. I'm at 85 and I wanted to do like 100-ounce silver when I'm like at 100 subscriber. I just had that in mind, but let's see what happens and how it goes. Anyways, guys, happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys in the next one.